Welcome back to Court TV Live. I'm Michael Ayala. Let's check in with our guest before we go back to court. With us, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar here in studio, and it flies in the face of any kind of frame job, right? You can say, oh, somebody planted the sneakers, somebody planted the hat, but if you got somebody saying, that walks like a guy, it talks like my guy, it's my guy, that's pretty powerful.
I feel myself feeling sorry for the defense attorney. He's got nothing. He's not only that, he's defending a client who's both a lawyer and a politician. We all know in American culture the most reviled people are lawyers. It's a tie between lawyers and politicians. He's got both. He's got nothing there, man. It's very tough.
Yeah.
So yeah, that walk, I mean, it looks like Robert Tellis to me when I look at that camera. Yeah. I mean, I don't know.
It looks like it to me. I don't even know him. And it looks like him to me, right? So you have a guy here who knows him, right? Just like Bob said, it looks like him to me. All right. Let's bring back in our guest, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I'll start with you because I know from the beginning you had a problem with this witness's testimony from the perspective of a defense attorney. You didn't think it should have come in.
I don't think it should have come in. I thought it was very problematic from day one. This is something that's to be done in a motion for limine, but to be honest with you, I'm impressed with that defense attorney. That was a textbook cross-examination. That's the type of cross-examination that judges would show their kids in trial advocacy class and say, this is exactly how you do it. He caught everything. I'm a little bit envious of, to be quite frank with you, a little bit envious of that. All of us defense attorneys, we all look at ourselves in the mirror when we wake up in the morning and say, I have a killer cross. We all lie to each other. We all lie to ourselves and say we have a killer cross. That guy's got a killer cross. That was fantastic. I love that.
Yeah, and when I think about this case, that might be, Michael, the worst part of their case, because I've heard his interviews, and I was confused as to what he was talking about. It sounded so convoluted. It basically sounded like a guilty man trying to find a way to get his way out of it.
What was me? Look at me. The domestic violence is going to come in, you know, and again, he's an attorney, he's a politician. Michael, I always tell my friends, if I were to ever be indicted for stealing a rock from the moon, I'll take a plea. Right? He's not going to have any friends in that courtroom when he if he testifies, but there's an embarrassment of riches of evidence against him. That was an awesome point in time for his defense attorney, but I don't know if it's going to move the needle in the grand scheme of things. Yeah.